Good afternoon, guys. We're now over in Enfield, North London way. A bit colder over this way actually, but we're working on this Audi A4 2012 2-litre TDI. Funnily enough, it's another one that we thought we were coming to a DPF issue, but it's actually an EGR. So once again, we're doing a 3-stage carbon clean on it, with the hope that this will clean the EGR up enough and it hasn't failed. But if not, at least they'll know that the EGR pipework is all clean for a new EGR valve. If you watched the video earlier on from the Range Rover Sport, the customer took it out for a 20-minute drive and reported success, so we're hoping for the same on this one. So for those of you that don't know, our 3-stage carbon clean service is the carbon cleaning machine. This produces hydrogen that goes in through the air intake and breaks down the carbon. Before we do that, when we have problems with EGR valves, we use our 3-stage carbon clean chemical. This is designed to break down oily gunk and dry out the carbon so that the hydrogen can interact with it. It's a unique product that we've had developed for us here in the UK, and we have great success with it. As I say, it is our own branded product, so you don't get that option anywhere else. And we also use our injector cleaner, which is the other bottle there, and that goes directly into the fuel tank. It's simply designed to clean up the injector tip. It's not a fuel cleaning aid like the others that you'll go and buy in the high street. If you clean the injector tip up, you get a better combustion because you get better optimization of the fuel. Simple as that. So this service, including diagnostics, takes 60 minutes. It will be used for general maintenance, preventative maintenance, EGR issues, turbo issues, intake manifold issues. Also, we did it on earlier today actually, on an can't remember, the DS3 petrol engine that had sticky intake valves. So far so good on that one as well. Cost is £149.99. As I say, it takes about 60 minutes. We offer many other services including DPF, cleaning, diagnostics and remapping as well. A single stage engine carbon clean starts as little as £89.99. You can get us by messaging us, replying to this post, or by all means give us a call on 01293 769495. Have a great day.